Looking to refresh your kitchen, bathroom, or office without a full remodel? The Amazon Basics Single Gang Wall Plate in Oil Rubbed Bronze offers an easy way to elevate your space instantly. These metal plates replace standard plastic covers, adding a sleek, sophisticated look that complements any decor style. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, these wall plates are built to last. Unlike flimsy plastic alternatives, they resist wear and maintain their rich finish over time. The oil-rubbed bronze color brings warmth and depth, making it a subtle yet stylish upgrade for your light switches and outlets. Each pack includes 3 single gang plates, along with screws for a straightforward installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a quick improvement, these plates slide on easily to give your walls a polished, professional appearance. What sets these plates apart is their blend of function and design. They don't just cover your switches, they enhance the room's overall vibe. Many users praise how these metal plates add a touch of elegance, matching perfectly with other bronze or dark-toned fixtures in the home. Backed by a 1-year warranty, Amazon Basics ensures you get quality and peace of mind. This means if anything goes wrong, you're covered, no hassle, no fuss. That kind of reliability matters when you're investing in small details that make a big impact. If you're ready to swap out dull, white plastic plates for something with character and durability, this 3-pack is worth a look. It's a simple change that brings noticeable style and long-lasting performance to your everyday spaces. Try these oil-rubbed bronze wall plates when you want an affordable, elegant upgrade that fits seamlessly into your home or office. They're a subtle detail that speaks volumes about your attention to quality and design.